I'm attorney Mark Nicholson from the Law Office of Mark Nicholson, also known as the Battery Man, for my focus on criminal battery cases. Today I'm going to talk about do or do not. There is no try. As you can see by looking at the poll, that the majority of people, 50% of the people, have voted for the Jamie Foxx sexual allegation case. Then, on number 2, Courtney Clenny, although I made a typo and said Clenning, she is number 2 at 22%, and then Lizzo, sexual harassment case, is 15%. So you have Jamie Foxx, sexual assault allegation at 50%, Courtney Clenny, OnlyFans murder, 22%, and then Lizzo, sexual harassment at 15%. So those are the top three cases that people want information about next. And that's why I'm wearing this shirt. Baby Grogu. Baby Yoda. Do or do not. There is no try. We are going to do the Jamie Foxx. We've taken that poll. Jamie Foxx. We're also going to do the Courtney Clenning OnlyFans. And probably Lizzo as well. And the reason why I say that is because Jamie Foxx, I don't see that case really going to trial. I think that case is going to get settled. He has a lot of money. The headache with this, I think it'd be easier if he just pays the person off and just can go on with his career. Make it go away. Kind of like what Puff Daddy did, right? But once again, once you do that, it opens you up to more lawsuits. And people, oh, he's just giving money away. So it's a double-edged sword on that one, but I think that may be the resolution there. Courtney Clenning, that case, I believe, is going to trial, and I like it because it reminds me a little bit of Jonathan Majors when it comes to the text messages. There's some text messages that are involved in this case, and also reminds me of a case I have coming up that involves a lot of text messages, and the prosecution wants to use text messages. We may use some text messages about what happened in this criminal case I have coming up. So that is kind of my interest with the OnlyFans case. Also, Lizzo, I think will probably go to trial. I don't really see her settling just because the persona that she's put on. Don't necessarily see her settling. And I want to do a good job for those, for the cases I follow, kind of like I did with Jonathan Majors, but hopefully even better. I appreciate people liking, subscribing, asking me to collaborate, commenting. I'm doing this not only for myself, but also for you, so you can see something that is, hopefully informative, factual, entertaining. Those are kind of three things, right? Informative, factual, entertaining. That's what I'm hoping to give to you. And as I learn from other people that have been doing this longer than me, and I learn from trial and error, I just want to improve and continue to give you some kind of quality product that you can continue to like and subscribe. Also, I want to talk about do or not do with Bridget Ziegler. Now, this is just a lady that co-founded Miles for Liberty in Florida and has taken this huge stance against LGBTQ rights. Apparently, she's been on this campaign of trying to keep LGBTQ stuff suppressed, trying to deny them their freedom of expression. Her husband, Chris Ziegler, is the GOP chair in Florida. Well, he's recently been accused of rape. The person that is accusing him is someone that apparently they were in a consensual relationship in the past or ongoing consensual relationship until this allegation of rape. And her husband, Chris Ziegler, is being told to resign. But he is refusing to resign because he wants $2 million. He says he wants $2 million before he will resign. Some people are saying, hey, this is kind of a hypocrite. You're telling people not to engage in this behavior that you're engaging in. Do as I say, not as I do. And what I'm saying is, do or do not. His wife, Bridget, now has a sex tape that was released of her engaging in a lesbian sexual relationship. Reason why I'm using do or not do is because if you want to do it, do it. If you don't, do not. Do not. That is what I feel. We should have the freedom to choose. If you want to engage in that behavior, no one's getting hurt. Don't force it on other people. Go ahead and do it. And the same with if you don't want to. It's messed up, I think, when people try to take away the rights of someone else while they're out there engaging in that same kind of conduct. But yet I don't want anyone else doing it. I want it all to myself. This is one of the things that people do that is frustrating. They try to take away the rights of other people while they are engaging in the same kind of conduct themselves. This seems messed up. Do or do not. There is no try. Do or do not. Once again, I want to thank all of you who've been liking and subscribing and commenting. I just can't thank you enough. It sounds like a broken record, but as long as you keep liking and subscribing, I'm going to keep thanking you for it, because you didn't have to do it. You didn't have to spend part of your day looking at my videos and listening to what I have to say. So I really appreciate that. And have a happy new year. See you next year. This is your Nicholson Nugget of the Day. Please be sure to like and subscribe.